In this Polaris review, I'm going to be showing you a software and system that's going to allow you to create done-for-you affiliate offers with a squeeze page, landing pages, email sequences, all set up for you already. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be revealing all of the OTOs and upsells so you'll know exactly what you're getting into. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer, and I do these review videos every single day so that you can make the best decisions on what software and courses are going to be right for your business. And please go ahead and like this video below and hit that subscribe and notification button if you're interested in getting more reviews on the upcoming courses and softwares coming out, along with the best discounts and bonuses. Also, if at any point during this video you want to check out the product, you can just click the link below the video and head right over to the page. But before we take a look at the actual product, I just wanted to take you and show you my special bonuses. If you purchase this through my link, you're going to find all these bonuses right inside of Warrior Plus, so you can access them immediately, again, once you've purchased through my affiliate link. My first bonus is you're going to get a $10,000 per month case study, an actual case study revealing how to make $10,000 per month. The next one here is Commission Blueprint. This is a super affiliate method that's generated over $500,000 in the last 12 months. You're also going to get access to list building on steroids, Bing Ads Mastery, access to 0-hour workdays, $2,000 in 20 minutes on Facebook. Lindgren's Lazy Method. This is a guy that does launch jacking, a pretty cool method from a guy that's always ranking and doing very well. Access to 5K publishing paydays. All of these bonuses, again, will be inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, so let's take a look at the sales page together. It says here, the world's best auto funnel software for unlimited commissions and leads from free viral traffic. It's making us up to $1,200 per day. Now it's your turn. So essentially what this product is it creates squeeze pages for you and it creates the delivery pages on autopilot. So you don't have to actually create any pages yourself. You're promoting offers that are on Clickbank. And the reason why that's important is if you have tried to do affiliate marketing before and you've gone to places like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, with these networks, you need to apply to be an affiliate. And if people see that you have 0 to even under 100 sales, they are very likely to deny you to be an affiliate. And you won't even if you are like you've got a review or you've got a big email list or whatever, if they don't know you, they won't approve you. But with this system and with Clickbank, you don't actually need to be approved in order to be an affiliate with them. So you can just grab your link, put it into the software. It will create a squeeze page for you, a download area, so people can access your lead magnet, and you can promote these offers with their system. You don't need a domain name. You don't need any hosting to be able to use their system. It's all done for you. It's made for people that don't want to mess around with like page builders where it has like you have to get a domain name and you have to set everything up like that. This is just all set up a few different fields and you're all set with that. So let's go over and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So I'm logged into the members area for Polaris. This is the important part here. So what this has is they have multiple different categories for multiple different funnels. So let's say you want to promote something in the dating and relationship field here. They've got all kinds of different high converting offers, and that's the important part of this. They haven't just taken random offers, they've taken the ones that are high converting. And you can create your funnel, your squeeze page, and preview your thank you page. And then over here in the products area, this is where you can actually see the different products. So let's say if you're going to promote something in that niche, you would go over here, you would click on the view product. It takes you over to the Clickbank application area. And in this area right here, this is where you can apply for your affiliate link. You can see the different the different things that they have here for your promotion if you want to use some of their assets here. And it says promotion links, and you can grab your email. If they want your interest, you just click on get started. You can skip the commission bump if you want to here, and just go and grab your affiliate link from here. It says grab your affiliate link, put in your Clickbank ID, buy now 1717, and usually it's actually this one was a little bit a little bit harder to do here. I'm going to show you another one in a second here. So this one, it puts my affiliate link in here. I grab that, I go back to the software, and then I can just paste that in there and save my affiliate link. Now let me show you another one here, and this is how it usually works with them. So that was one example. Let me do the affiliate marketing one. Like the 12-minute system, if I click on View Product, it brings you over here. You have a page where you can get your affiliate link, create your affiliate link, buy now 1717. That's my Clickbank ID. Create your affiliate link. And here we go. And this is my affiliate link here. So each one's going to be a little different, of course. I can go back over here, put that in here, save my affiliate link like that, and it's saved. You can go down there and do that for any products that you want to promote. Now, to actually create a funnel, this is how you do that. So if you want to create a funnel, let's go to the dashboard, and let's go and let's do affiliate marketing. Let's do create funnel. Name this Mike Main Test. Click on next, and I can Mike Main Test. And it says that's available, and I can pick if you want to get the name or the email, you just want the email, you can do that. You can save it into your own autoresponder. It collects all your subscribers right over here, so you don't necessarily even have to have an autoresponder, but if you want to, you can in the settings, you can connect your autoresponder to this so it automatically goes into it and click and select the list you want it to go on. You can change the headline over here, so if I want to change that headline, I want it to be something else, I can do that. See, I can change it to that. Change this right here, and it automatically changes it so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to go to next step. You can also add in like header codes and retargeting and stuff there. You can select your product that you want to use. I'm just going to use this one right here. That's one that these are ones that I've applied for and I've gotten my affiliate links. And I can change my about me. So if I want to go in here and add my my picture in here, I can add my picture of the page. You see it's added there. Hey, Mike is awesome. You can have your little thing put in there as well. Click on next step, and then click on submit. And what that does is that will create a squeeze page for you. It creates a thank you page. So if we check out that squeeze page, you can see that I made the changes and made it look bad there, but it will create that page for you right here. Also, let's see here, it will create your thank you page for you. Here's my picture on it. Hey, Mike is awesome. So when people opt in, they can go over here to download their free gift that's given to them, and they'll be able to check out that other product, and your affiliate link's gonna be right up here. So if someone buys this, you're both gonna be getting their email, and you're gonna be promoting affiliate offers at the same time, so you can make money from that. So again, that's all hosted, and as far as traffic goes, you can share it out on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WordPress. This is Reddit. You can even do WhatsApp with this. It even lets you download your squeeze page and your thank you page if you want to do that, if you want to be a little bit more technical with it. So that's the software. It's got tutorials in here on how to do everything, but that's pretty much the software on the front end. Now there are some OTOs with this. So the first one is going to give you 100 new done-for-you cache engines. You can have unlimited custom funnels and unstoppable traffic on demand, it says here. So it's going to give you 100 new funnels, unlimited custom funnels. It gives you a traffic method to use with this, and that's all included in that first OTO. The next one here is 5 new premium funnels every month to use and sell for 100% profit. It also gives you commercial rights, so you can sell them as a service to people. So that's that OTO there. The next one is going to get thousands of dollars worth of money-making software, so you can actually use these and promote them as an affiliate with this affiliate bundle. So it's a bunch of softwares that you can promote and make 100% profits with. And the last one here, it says it's going to give you your own turnkey business, 100% profit resell rights. Okay, so this is resell rights, so you can sell it, sell sub-accounts, and keep 100% of the profits for this here. Okay, so what do I like about this and what don't I like about Polaris? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, the marketing is hypey. It says that it's making $1,200 per day. Now it's your turn. It's a bit hypey there. When you break it down to what it actually is it is a squeeze page and a landing page builder that's really easy to use. It's really got a way for people that are new to affiliate marketing can actually promote affiliate products without having to worry about getting accepted and having to go back and forth with the vendors trying to prove that they're good enough to be able to promote the products. It is a newbie friendly way to start doing affiliate marketing. What do I like about it? It's really simple to use, really simple to set up. It took me about 5 minutes to figure out exactly how everything works. If you are someone that is looking for a system that you don't need a domain name, you don't need hosting, you want to get started as quickly as possible, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Polaris review today. If you're interested in checking this out, you can click the link right here and it will take you over to it. Also, I'll have a link right underneath this video where you can check it out there. And if you like this video, please like it. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can subscribe and hit that bell notification button if you want to get more of these reviews and be able to know exactly what products are coming out, softwares, and get the best discounts, bonuses, and reviews on them. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.